There were some things that did sort of scare me a little bit about the uni life. You know, people often say that no one cares about you at uni. You know, in the lead up to the first week of first year, I thought I'd see who my teachers were, and you know, you would find highly lauded academics with PhDs and multiple degrees under their belt and worked with these people, and then you turn up and they go, "Hi guys, my name's John." And you go, "No, I should call you Dr. So-and-so, but no." I found that teachers are very keen to build really quite personal connections with their students.
So this was the first place where I was actually able to come in and get to know my lecturers personally. It allows you to understand what they're teaching a lot more, because they can adapt and change the teaching style to suit you. They understand you, the questions that you ask, and how you interact with the actual material.
I think the teachers here are always very helpful in giving constructive criticism and giving encouragement as well. They do provide or encourage different opinions or disagreements with what they present as well, which opens up an interesting discussion. I feel like it encourages me to say what I think a little bit more, and it does provide a safe space for, once again, different opinions.
What was surprising to me is how collaborative your work is here. Classes have really been more about talking to each other and bouncing off of each other's ideas, bouncing off of each other's arguments. We're questioning things just so that we can understand it better.
A subject that I've done really recently, actually, I found immensely interesting personally. We've been working with a particularly intelligent, eccentric and wonderful lecturer who has just inspired all of us to be creative in ways that we didn't think would ever be possible. I felt just such liberation during this course. Just finding out exactly how far I can push the boundaries, really just breaking down walls and conventions and just really getting down into, you know, what is it that I can be creative with. It was such a leap, and I am so glad that we have teachers that push us to do that.